Are you tired of guessing which currency pairs to trade in the Forex market? If so, you may want to consider buying Forex signals. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 compelling reasons why Forex signals could be a game changer for your trading. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Millionaire Advice and I'm a Forex trader with years of experience in the industry. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Forex signals, which are essentially trading recommendations provided by professional traders. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, save time and effort. As a trader, you already know how time-consuming it can be to analyze the market and identify profitable trades. Forex signals can save you a lot of time and effort by doing the heavy lifting for you. You'll receive trading recommendations directly to your phone or email, which you can act on immediately. Reason number 2, reduce emotional trading. Emotional trading is one of the biggest pitfalls in Forex trading. It's easy to let fear, greed, or other emotions cloud your judgment and make poor trading decisions. Forex signals can help you avoid emotional trading by providing you with a clear, unbiased strategy. Reason number 3, access professional expertise. Forex signals are created by professional traders who have years of experience and a proven track record of success. By subscribing to Forex signals, you can tap into this expertise and learn from the pros. Reason number 4, diversify your portfolio. One of the best ways to manage risk in Forex trading is to diversify your portfolio. Forex signals can help you do this by providing recommendations on different currency pairs and trading strategies. Reason number 5, improve your trading performance. Ultimately, the goal of Forex signals is to improve your trading performance and help you make more money. By following the recommendations provided by professional traders, you can increase your chances of success in the Forex market. So there you have it, 5 reasons why you should consider buying Forex signals. Of course, it's important to do your own research and find a reputable signal provider that aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Forex trading tips and strategies.